Hey guys, my name is Tom. I'm bringing you a product today that is exponentially explosive. It's really fantastic. It's called XMissions, and we'll get into it and we'll show you what all's involved here. My product reviews. Sorry, got a little ahead of myself there. My product reviews by me, Tom Jones, and this one, this review video is XMissions. Some of you may not know me. My name is Tom Jones. I make review videos, and I'm part of the older crowd, older marketer, I guess you'd say, but hey, gaining wisdom takes time. The four people that are bringing you this special offer is Trevor, Jonas, Philip, and Dan. And in a second, we're going to hear from Trevor so that he can put his stamp of approval on this. So as soon as this video gets to playing, you'll be able to hear exactly what he has to say.
Hey, it's Trevor here, and it's Christmas! Look, I'm excited because this is an absolute no-brainer, all right? No fancy VSL for this one, well, other than me in my little spaceship here, but no fancy graphics and animations and stuff like that because I don't need to, all right? What we've got here are 15 of our top-selling products that generated us over $1 million using the softwares and the tips and tricks and secret strategies that are inside these 15 products, okay? So myself, Philip, Dan, and Jonas all use this stuff on a daily basis, and we've bundled it all up, and we're going to give all of it to you for less than the price of just one. All right, so this is absolutely bonkers. Now, inside of this bundle, you're going to find products that have all been award winners on Warrior Plus, all bestsellers, and there is a combination of information products and software products. This is the stuff that we use on a daily basis to generate us anywhere between $300 and $1,000 or more per day. Okay, so if you're looking to make money online, then this bundle is the very best opportunity for you right now. Think about Christmas. You're going to have your Christmas dinner, you're going to sit in front of the TV, and you're going to maybe have a little nap. Then the days between Christmas and New Year, what about if you took the XMissions bundle and you start to work through that training, so come the new year, you were ready to go at them and make a serious amount of money. Well, that's what you can do with this. And it's a no-brainer because it's just one seriously low price for this entire bundle. So scroll down the page, you'll see all the details of all the products that we've got in here for you. I've got a very special secret to share with you as well. When you buy the front end, yes, we will present you with some OTOs, some optional upgrades, but they're very, very sexy. Right, now listen to this. When you buy the front end, you're going to go through to the OTO 1. The OTO 1 is going to be all the OTO 1s for that front end for less than the price of one OTO 1. When you go through from that, you go to the OTO 2, which is all the OTO 2s for those 15 products. And then OTO 3 is all the OTO 3s for those 15 products. So think about this. You might think to yourself, oh, I'm not sure if I want all those front ends. I've got 3 of them or I've got 4 of them. But you're going to get the opportunity to get all the upgrades, all the OTO 1s, all the OTO 2s, all the OTO 3s at a crazy, crazy low price. Now, you might not want any of those. You might just want the front ends, and that's fine. You know, go for it. This is an utter no-brainer. I almost don't have to sell it at all. All right, just do yourself a favour. It's a very, very short window. This is going to be a short launch, and then it's gone. All right, feels amazing for us to be able to do this for you. Absolutely amazing. Christmas, this time of year, brilliant. Good for us, good for you. It's a win-win. But don't miss out on this, okay? Because it will be expiring, and then it'll be gone. So what are you waiting for? You know, literally, click on the buy button now, all right? Treat yourself. It's Christmas. You deserve it. You've worked hard all year. Give yourself this little treat for what? Less than the price of a pizza. It's crazy, 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 crazy.
Yep, it's crazy because I'm going to continue to show you now more of it. As he said, Trevor said, there's 15 products, each with its own OTOs from the providers. And we're just going to have a look, seriously, we're just going to have a look at the front end products of this bundle. So I'll bring you each one. Let's start at number one, right? All right, undying traffic. This is, what I do like about this page is there's a lot of newbie friendly stuff in here, okay? And I'm not going to read every one of these screens, because I know that you have, you can stop the video and look at all the screens. But I just do want to say and give you an option to see all of these right here on my video, to see if you want to pick this product up. It's ridiculously low price. You're not going to believe it. So that's number 3. And Divine Commissions is number 4. Number 5 is Traffic Armageddon. Number 6 is Rapid Mobile Commissions. So mobile's a big deal right now. If you're into mobile, I'm more of a desktop guy, but hey, I told you I'm part of the older crowd. And then number 7 is 15 Secrets. Seconds to Profit Warrior, and that's a product in of itself. And number 8 is 6-Figure Secrets. A lot of these, it goes on and on again about being beginner friendly, and it's great. Aura Mode, that product launched not very long at all. I mean, I missed the launch on that one, and I wished I'd picked it up. But I missed the launch price. I do have it, but I got it at the regular price. And number 10 is List Smasher. So, you obviously have to have a list. This bundle, let me tell you, this bundle it's traffic. It's about websites. It's about landing page. It's ranking. Number 1 is a ranker here. You rank quickly. You get out there. You get your stuff up. Zapper. Sorry. It's turn videos into content. You need content. There's a lot of great information, but if you can't see it, then what good is it? So you have to be able, this is a way to be able to turn it into readable information. Face Off, that product has not been long on the market. It's a very good for affiliate commissions, if you're doing anything about affiliate commissions, which that's what we're talking about here overall. Fiverr Rocket, everybody knows about Fiverr, and the hungry crowd there is there every day to pick up products. And last but not least, Highway Traffic, another newbie friendly. All this stuff it excites me to know that it helps newbies too, because I know when I got started, you just didn't have the help you're getting today. And then we got one more video here we're going to see. It's this video is the absolute bar none bonus structure you're going to get by picking up from my link. Jonas has allowed us additional. You get these on the front end. If you don't buy any of the OTOs, you get these bonuses on the front end purchase. That is if you buy it from my link. If you don't get it from my link, well, maybe you'll miss that too. But if you buy it from my link, you get these bonuses as well. And that's bonus number 1. There's bonus number 2. And these are above and beyond the ones that you'll already get when you pick up the front end product. And from Trevor and those guys. That's this is tremendous. It's really hard to believe that they're bringing this much to this bundle. I actually hope this isn't a thing to come, except for Christmas, because that would kill us. These guys doing all this kind of stuff all during the year, it would really kill us. Well, that's the end of that one. And then that's it. I mean, it's almost like it's too much. That's what I was saying. It's almost like it's too much, but you never have too much horsepower and you certainly don't have enough horsepower for your bank account. You need all the horsepower you can get. I do. So click on the link. Pick this up. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. As always, you know, the guys offer refunds or whatever, but for these prices, I just don't see how you can miss. Take care. Happy marketing. Happy holidays. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for coming and watching.